Best effective exercises to build a perfect chest. Get ready to achieve a radical transformation in the shape of your chest with this powerful exercise. Exercise 1. Dumbbell incline chest press plus incline dumbbell close grip press. Targets the upper chest. Sit on an incline bench at a 30 to 45 degree angle, keeping your feet flat on the floor. Start with weights you can control and gradually increase them. Perform 3 sets of 6 to 7 repetitions of each exercise. Rest time 30 to 60 seconds between sets. The second exercise. Barbell bench press targets the middle chest. Use a grip wider than shoulder width apart and make sure your wrists are straight while lifting the weight. Perform the reps slowly, especially on the negative, downward portion. This helps increase the tension on the muscles. Try pyramid training, where you start with light weights and increase the weight with each set. This helps gradually activate muscle fibers and increase efficiency. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Rest time 30 to 60 seconds between sets. The third exercise, incline dumbbell fly plus incline dumbbell breathing, targets the upper chest. Slowly open your arms to the sides, maintaining a slight bend in the elbows. Be careful not to fully extend your arms to avoid shoulder strain. Start with weights you can control. Focus on form rather than lifting heavy weights. Perform 3-4 sets of 10-15 repetitions. Restoration time 40-60 seconds between sets. Exercise 4. High cable chest fly. Targets the lower chest stand. In the center of a cable machine with the cables pointing upward. Position your feet shoulder width apart and bend your knees slightly to improve stability. Stand in the center of a cable machine with the cables pointing upward. Position your feet shoulder width apart and bend your knees slightly to improve stability. Start with light weights to ensure proper control of the movement. Then gradually increase the weight as your strength improves. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Restoration time 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 5. Alternating dumbbell incline bench press. Targets the upper chest. Alternately raise the dumbbells, making sure not to rush. Use a slow motion to control each repetition. Use the continuous tension technique by not letting the muscles relax between repetitions. This increases muscular stimulation and promotes muscle fiber growth. Aim for 3-4 sets of 10-12 repetitions. Restoration time 40-60 seconds between sets. Exercise 6. Barbell decline bench press targets the lower chest. Use a grip slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This will help even out the weight distribution and increase the effectiveness of the exercise. Slowly lower the bar toward your chest, then forcefully push it upward. Inhale before lowering the weight and exhale as you push it back up. Proper breathing helps boost performance. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Rest time 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 7. Decline chest press machine. Targets the lower chest. Make sure the seat is adjusted. Experiment with different angles to see which gives you the best range of motion and the most comfort. Slowly push the handle forward, then return it to the starting position in a controlled manner. This focus on movement helps increase the effectiveness of the exercise. You can use mirrors around you to monitor your technique during the exercise. Seeing yourself in the mirror can help improve your form. Aim for 3-4 sets of 10-12 repetitions. Restoration time 40-60 seconds between sets. Exercise 8. Dumbbell flies on a flat bench. Targets the middle chest. Lie comfortably on a bench with your feet flat on the floor. Maintain a slight bend in your elbows throughout the movement. Slowly lower the dumbbells to the sides while maintaining complete control. Use a smooth motion to enhance the effectiveness of the exercise. Start with light weights. Gradually increase the weight. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Rest time 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 9. Smith Incline Bench Press. Targets the upper chest. Slowly lower the bar toward your chest, then press upward forcefully. Focusing on the slow movement helps increase the effectiveness of the exercise. Try different bench angles to find what works best for you. You may find that a simple angle changes your entire experience. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Rest time 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 10. Low cable chest fly. Targets the upper chest. Keep your back straight and your shoulders slightly forward throughout the exercise. This helps maximize the movement. Lower the cables slowly and carefully, then slowly bring them back together. Controlling the movement improves the effectiveness of the exercise. Perform 3 sets of 10-15 repetitions. Restoration time 30-60 seconds between sets. Exercise 11. Lever seated fly. Targets the middle chest. Grip the handles comfortably and slowly begin the movement from the starting position. Make sure your elbows are slightly bent throughout the movement. Try to feel each contraction in your chest muscles as you push. This helps enhance effectiveness. Try varying the number of reps in each set, such as doing a high rep set 12 to 15 and a low rep set 6 to 8. Respite time 40 to 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 12. Dumbbell chest press. Targets the middle chest. Lie on a flat bench with your feet flat on the floor. Make sure your back is stable and in contact with the bench. Maintain a slight bend in your elbows. Don't let them drop too far to avoid stressing your joints. Avoid using momentum to propel the weight. Use only your chest and shoulder muscles for movement. Start with a weight you can control. It's important that you can perform the exercise correctly without compromising your technique. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Restoration time 40 to 60 seconds between sets. Exercise 13. Dumbbell lying hammer press plus close grip dumbbell press. Targets the entire chest muscle. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Restoration time 40 to 60 seconds between sets. Combining exercises improve muscle coordination, giving you better performance in other exercises. Variety of exercises. You'll never get bored. Variety in exercises boosts your motivation, making each training session exciting and challenging.